At first, Khabane wasn't doing anything revolutionary. He was just making videos from his home, and almost nobody was watching. But then, he noticed something. The internet was full of complicated solutions to simple problems. Life hacks, tricks, elaborate ways of doing things that didn't need to be complicated at all. And Khabane didn't try to outsmart them. He did something much simpler. He watched the video, looked at the camera, and showed the obvious answer. No long explanation, no tutorial, no speech, just a look, a gesture, and the solution. And then came the part almost nobody expected. He didn't speak. That wasn't a limitation. It became his advantage. Because the moment he stopped speaking, language stopped being a barrier. You didn't need to understand Italian. You didn't need to understand English. You didn't even need subtitles. You just had to understand the joke. But going viral wasn't the plan. He kept searching, watching, testing, creating. In one interview, he said he could spend at least 3 hours a day looking for the right video to parody. That's the part people don't see. The viral moment may last seconds. The work behind it doesn't. Khabane didn't invent the internet. He didn't invent comedy. He didn't even invent reaction videos. He simply found something everyone else was overlooking. Simplicity. And he turned it into a language anyone could understand. That's when a TikTok video stopped being just a joke and started becoming a system. But there was still one problem. Nobody knew who Khabane Lame was, yet.